My anecdot. Student Salinas Alvarez Gustavo Enrique. I was in Bogota. That happened on May 2005. I was met with a partner. He did try to enter to the same company. In the years that I drove rigid vehicles, I had never drove a articulate vehicles. When I entered into the company connection mobile, I started to drive the type of vehicles. The problem was that it had never driven a articulate vehicle. When I drove had vehicle and the beginning was scared because it's a big vehicle, but the wishes that I could enter to this company were more important than the fear. I felt disappointed because the passengers of the transport system are rude with the drivers, but I felt proud because I can drop the type of vehicles and give a better system to the thousands of people they are due to their job or studies. I regret that I couldn't did my medicine studies before because I had to help in the house with economic contributions and then my father died. So I so so I have to stay and home with my relatives. I had been since 2005 in this company, giving a good transport service, and the most satisfaction is that I can carry the people to their jobs place or studies place and can build a better city. I feel happy that I can give my service to this company. This has helped my family and personal life quality.